What's the first step in solving Pulley problem? FBD. So we'll start with this object. What's the free body diagram on the 5 kilogram? Tension and gravity. Now, which one will be positive? Gravity is going to be positive because the direction of acceleration is down. The 1 kilogram object, its free body diagram looks awfully familiar. Because it's the same thing, except tension in its case will be positive because it's going to accelerate upwards. It's going to do this thing. So down over here on the 5 kilogram is positive, up on the 1 kilogram is positive. Now we apply F equals ma. Who do you want to do first, green or red? Red. Sum of the forces equals ma for the red. What do we got for sum of the forces? Yes, we'll do gravity minus tension because gravity is going to be a positive value. Equals mass times acceleration. Go ahead and plug in our values. 5 times 10 meters per second squared minus tension equals 5 kilograms times A. Nope. Whatever you like to do. If you want to do negative tension plus gravity, that's fine. We get down to here, we have 2 unknown values. Go ahead. Mass is in kilograms, acceleration is in meters per second squared. By definition, that's a Newton. Somebody said, I'm sick of writing kilograms times meters divided by second squared. Let's name it after some famous scientist. That's what they do for all those units. Yeah, I'd feel fortunate. We get stuck here. We have tension and acceleration, and we can't go anywhere. So we look to the other free body diagram. Solve it. Now, in this case, tension minus mg equals ma. If you put mg minus tension, you will get acceleration equals 9.8 meters per second squared. We'll show that to you in a second. Tension minus the mass, 1 kilogram times gravity, 10 meters per second squared equals 1 kilogram times the acceleration. Tension minus 10 newtons equals 1 kilogram times A. Now we have that equation and 2 unknowns. So we have now 2 equations, one here and one here with 2 unknowns. Algebra states that we can solve that by doing a substitution. I'd substitute this one since it's easiest to solve. Solve for tension here. Take that value, plug it in for tension right there.
Now, would I ever have to divide by 8?
Divide equations. You can do it that way too. I think. You could set up a matrix and do it that way if you know anything about matrices. Yeah, some of these other methods are confusing. So I just say solve for t.
But you always just
yes. So I take this value, I plug it in for t up here. Now, be very, very careful. T is representative of that whole thing, this guy right here. So when I subtract t, I've got to subtract 1 kilogram times A. Sorry. Yes, that's fine. I'm going to just write A. So we're subtracting that whole quantity. So notice, this negative sign is going to be distributed to both of those things. Equals 5 kilograms times A. We just take this value, plug it up into our other equation. Or take the first equation and plug it into that one. It makes no difference. Next, we finish up the algebra. 50 newtons minus 1A minus 10 newtons. This negative gets distributed to both of these guys. If you don't do that, your answer will be wrong. Probably over 6.